Alright, Scatter, we're back.
Yes, sir.
Are you virgin?
Yes, man. This virgin, you know, is a virgin where I come here, is a come see, born in this city. Up there, so. Right?
Yeah. Tell me about him.
Love me, mother, love me. Love me, daddy. Happy boy, willing boy. So, through that, him and him guns. If the father up there and him know have the money, and call him saying if you can do a 2 day or a 3 day for him, no better feel anyway, man. I can do it, daddy, for you. Right, so what me I tell you? Right now, me and him are friends. More time I see him I carry the water, go give him the man. Right? All man, me make go through. Me have to take him in and give him 2 pounds of water, his son too hot. For him. Right? So sometimes, yeah, some people don't say me this or me that. But at the willingness, at the ground, at the man, where the man a come from. You know, see it. And him now come tell us say him a go come, and he not come. You know, see it. He just a up front when the time come and when he say, boy, I'm not come tomorrow, and he just tell everybody already say he not come. So, I just saw it in
Talk to me about farming. How you can bring the youth back to Jamaica to farming?
Well, I best is environment of life, you know, because when I see nothing better in Jamaica more farming, because it makes sense to go do it wrong. Better you do look farming because you can drive more better. So I look for my youth coming up.
But the youth then will say it's hard.
We say it hard. And you want if you hard, you know, because if you sit down and fall your hand, you not come, you know. And you have to make things come to your perfection where you want it. Because if you sit down and you fold your hand, that's so you say it hard. But I have to put out my hands so I get fair bread. I know sit down and say it hard.
Keep man know from when you
talk to them. Tell the world your story.
Yeah, man, I work
and your
for
name.
13.
And your name.
Yeah,
tell him.
I know I'm to work and stuff and I am 13 I work. I am Thomas. Yeah, man.
And what do you plant?
I plant pumpkin, potato, yam, every little thing when I can plant. When I have it. When anything when I see if it come around, I jam it.
For achieve.
Yeah, man, for achieve something.
When you find struggles in a life, how you meds you out of it? What do you read?
Well, sometimes in a life, you know, so you go, me even talk about say struggling still, because when you say struggling, that just like say you don't put yourself towards say, just as me tell you a while ago, you da fall down and say nothing can turn. So me never say, me not say struggling no hard, you know, and me not gonna say yeah, you know hard, you know, but you have to make yourself be a man, to make it promote yourself. If you don't promote yourself, it not gonna come. So me know it as. Yes, man.
Yeah,
if you sit down and fall down every day, that me tell you have to go say it hard.
So a piece of paper come here, man.
You have to go grudge for your thing. I have to work for way hard.
I tell you already.
Hard, you know, but you have to go work, you know.
Pumpkin, plan, yeah. Tell you, say a pumpkin, then plan, yeah.
Night I just come out.
Pumpkin, I
chop
bet him
down
a
some
work
bad
pan.
bush. If you see what I
Pumpkin,
am when I just don't look like,
feel them a chop.
chop it down flat, level down.
So now, balancing your life as far as family life. Out of the pumpkin business, you can build your house, send you them to school. We know farming tough because we're growing out in the yam mills in Manchester, but how do you budget it to make it?
Well, I'll tell you why I budget it now. I usually work 7,500 a week. I'm not afraid to tell you this. It's like I work 7,500 buy a quarter bun. See? I must can buy, me mix like half drum of water this a week. Next week, I come, I burn one need a half drum. So in that week, I burn a 1 drum. I saw me survive out of 7,500. So that's where I come from. Yeah, man, I don't make myself weary, I don't grudge for year one. I say, at that, I try to make my life happen. 7,500 a week. Yeah, man, from this, I come from.
Yeah, man.
And that's what I try to turn myself, that's me can financial myself. I must have to go, say me have to come run down for say, this a week, me have to come help you to get that 7,500. Because me and them bless and me give thanks to the Father John to I.
So who teach you?
Who teach me? My man named Brother Lindsay. Live up a Mount Pleasant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I come from a working classes. Me and the same guy there. And that's where I come from.
See, I shall do that to them.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Yeah, man, I want to get in the story now. I want to a phone time, you know, a farmer time. What we are trying to do is tell the government, say, look, you see, our program is about Up Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
It's about land ownership, promote the positive.
Yes, sir.
Me not really, Jamaica Good Life no mean, Jamaica Good Life mean pick a lemon off of the tree. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Right.
It no mean car, house, smoke, drink.
No.
That's not what I mean.
That's
Yes,
not
sir.
It mean take out a yam out of the ground.
Yeah, man.
Cause it not get better than food.
No better. Yeah, man.
You see me?
You have to promote food.
Cause food come before woman, and if you don't eat food, you can't touch the woman.
Here we say to the eye, Jack. Here we are.
So no better than food.
No
Food,
better.
food first.
And food first, everything. So going at the thing, cause anybody who produce food, go represent yourself, man.
Yes, man.
Go
Yeah,
tell
man.
the world about you.
Yes, man.
Come true, man. Go on through. Because it's a phone time for
Yes,
sure.
man, I feel like time.
And I have some masks going to from Jamaica Good Life. See there?
Yeah.
So we're not going out the public.
Yes,
We
sir.
take on yourself. Because we're not have to stay safe. Share that with your brothers. And stay alive, because it's a coming up.
Come on. Up to yesterday, I listen to
The thing are coming up.
Coming up.
So this is from Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, man.
I'm going to know fight the fans them bite
Yeah, man.
and tell me if I bring it.
Alright, sir.
So when you're not on the public, make sure.
Make sure secure yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
So this is a good look for Jamaica. So now what we try to tell the Prime Minister, because this is a up thing for Jamaica. So the simple thing we want them to do is, for the foreigners, we want them to don't tax the foreigners on tractors and equipment for the next generation. So we send out this message to them to tell them, say, look, let the foreigners ship in tractors and not charge them.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, no man, you're right.
Because
Aye.
your manpower alone can't do it, you know.
Yo,
Manpower
no,
alone can't
yo,
do it.
no
You
man.
want tractors.
You're right.
Yeah,
Me
it's
coming
in
in.
the daily man.
Friday in there. And I tried. Me I tried and I go on. Nothing in my life, you know, I just want tractor, I want in a fair life, you know.
And that thing man, hey, you
I
go
just
and go
want
look
tractor,
on
me
the
I talk
tractor.
about in a fair life, you know, not if I'm dumb.
You man go look on the tractor.
Here we are, so to the eye. Yes. Well, certain things,
Yes,
they
yes.
don't want. Say me when it's super lot of, we have a hell of a tractor up there.
So wait a minute. All this time the government couldn't give Uno a tractor for say share it up or one man run it and lease it.
With a one that.
Not even
That-
one
That
tractor.
one, then show the eye more produce than make for when one tractor come down in the place.
Not even
None of
one
that.
tractor.
When one
give a
tractor come
tractor.
down in the place, the man then looking at yourself and
So wait
say,
there, so
you
wait
drop
there.
one tractor
So
and
you
I
what we do
have
upon
to
Jamaica
serve
Good Life. You
you.
always say. Cause you always say. Cause scatter. What we are gonna do is that we kinda subliminally talk to the big man them a foreign.
Yes, I
them
might
rich-
want to meet, you know, nothing.
Enough big man out there watch the show, you know.
I might want to see
I
you,
say
nothing.
them where the big man them a look for Uno. Cause me tell them so honestly, this is what the program do. A big man have 8 acres and him say, yo Ron, me need to plant some yam. But me need some trustworthy farmer.
Yeah,
Cause we hire farmers to work for people.
yeah,
So now him say, yo Ron, link me up with something. So me link him up with the uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle plant 300 of that yam for film land.
yeah.
So now I'm happy. So now when the big man them are soon, I say, but wait, Ron said they need a tractor.
Yeah, man, we need a
So
tractor.
if them bring a tractor now and start work, we don't know if they push the farming, cause the whole, you see the next wave of the world, I just food, you know, brother.
And the tractor where we
A
need.
water and food are only two things are going to be
Yeah.
imported in the new world, you know.
The
Water
tractor where I
and food.
need, what we need.
So the big man them will listen to this. This is on the time. See the man them there.
Yeah.
Give on a name, please.
I'm Thomas.
I'm big man known as Clifton Goldie.
Ferguson. Mikey Thompson.
What would a tractor do for you, Mikey Thompson?
Well, I would like a tractor to come amongst my friends and family who do farming. And I can drive and everything like that too. So
Right
I could
away.
operate
Yeah, man,
it.
I
Right
drive
away,
this
right
man.
away.
Yeah, man, me a driver too.
Yeah, man.
Operator.
So this is Whitney.
Yes,
Yeah,
So
man.
if we get the big man, there's a big man listening to this, we're going to say, yo, Ron, me bring the tractor in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
anytime.
Right.
Inside that,
Yeah,
man,
man,
if
we
I
can't
get these
stay.
at the
See how
park
the
in
big
a
farm
yard,
now,
man, we are
the
too much
road, when
thing.
rain fall, No people can go in the field alone. You have to carry come way back
I
out
go
the
set
road.
up. When we get the tractor, it has to set
When the
up.
tractor come,
When the tractor come, all will is here.
You know
And
that
we have
I
a
tell
river
you,
and
I
so too,
fix
we
the
would
road.
need all the tractor
We
to
have
clear
river
part
on
of the
us,
river. Yes, sir.
Them men believe say only nice river there.
no man,
No,
I
we
drive
have
river
river down
man,
there, we
from
are
the
running
river,
right now.
from the river clean there right now and gone through so, my banana walk, no in no water.
So the tractor would help on that situation too. To help with the river.
So
Right.
one tractor can help everybody.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
but we don't have more than one man.
I just
One day
communication
man, I
time,
get her 2 days, you
Yeah.
know. 3 work when you have to do, you know.
And the tractor
I say
can
it's
do a
not
lot of
work,
work
you
for
know.
you there.
And then on the split up the profits to the pumpkin, cause the man who own the tractor would rather say, give me this, and pay for it.
Yeah, man, everybody could have come
Easy,
together,
man.
man.
We
Buy
want
gas
tractor,
oil if a
man.
gas
New
oil or
tractor we
anything.
get in,
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the solution, right?
Right away.
Dragon? Because what I've been preaching online is if the government just listen up. The man them want work, but why the youth them now farm is because of technology now.
Man, them know
Them
the
not
thing.
supposed
The man them know
to
the
dig
thing,
no
guy.
machine hole
No.
when white man have tractors
Yeah,
and
yeah,
things and you sit down here like say you can't
Yeah, man, me
drive.
park in a house and me pick around this one.
And that you have to go hold in the
Right,
park
you
and
know,
you
me
want
have
your
to
picker in a
look
machine.
one-
That's everything that.
Yeah, we are
everything.
set to the eye.
One
Because
better and I come
So
in
I
here,
can't tell you about the
the road they
tractor.
want clean back if you have a tractor. Can you hear me for go hurt them?
So them
Can't
have we
even
stuck
hurt
on
them.
slavery.
Right,
Right,
Go
true.
grab up your
Yeah,
car.
on top.
And the reasoning now is for the big man.
Yes, yes.
When me try to appeal to, me do the work for travel. I'm
Yeah.
dedicate my life to it. My
Yes,
life
man.
savings by the car yesterday. So,
Yes,
Oh,
so I'm
same
done.
way, same way,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So Uno, when me need pumpkin, know if we drop it
You
in
know
the
if you
car.
can, yeah.
Alright?
Yes,
Okay,
man.
yeah.
So what me I gotta do now is to constantly subliminally talk to the man there. We know say him can help we in a Whitney.
Yes.
Yeah,
There's a man we are listening to the program.
Program, yeah.
Him retired, you know.
Yes.
Him have about 300,000 at the bank just to sit down.
You
And
mean,
him wife there.
you mean 300 million?
They put in 2 congregate.
Them on there, you know.
I want it,
But if him just call you and say, scatter, may I bring the tractor.
Yeah, man, me want to rasta.
Because at the end of the day, the way me I look on Jamaica 2050,
Yes.
me not look on tomorrow, you know, me I look
No.
on tomorrow.
Yeah,
Generation to
yeah.
generation.
And if the Chinese them are coming,
Yes,
we are talking about aggressive farming, and you
Yes.
can't do aggressive farming without technology.
exactly.
Yeah.
And that's why the youth them nah do it.
Mm-hmm.
Me no think some man should still dig yam. I said
Yam
me
yam
used to
with
dig
big
white
farm,
yam. So me think say a big screw thing supposed to dig yam.
Yeah, yeah.
You see what me I
Yeah,
say?
yes,
Just
man,
turn it
yes,
in the
man.
gun
It's a
and make it turn
technology
round
thing,
and
yeah.
turn
And
I
round.
tell
yam
you, I go say
out,
to the
yeah.
eye,
You see what me I
say,
say?
Yes,
We're not
man.
supposed to dig yam
Yam
hole.
fly,
I did I say to the eye, say,
Eh.
in the digging,
Yeah.
and the
What you talking
tractor.
about?
When you
Yeah,
have
man,
the
that one.
tractor, we
Yeah,
have
so
the
much
tractor.
different.
Yeah, boy, I want
We
yam
are
tick
getting
hold
it.
of one machine, you go zzzz and take out
Yeah,
the
yeah,
yam
right,
tick
yeah.
hold, put it on there, sir.
When we are get the
Yes,
tractor,
man.
we are going to get one some blade.
A fall style.
And 2 style there I want, you know.
Mm.
This are 6 teeth. We are good on in the
A
dust.
12 dish chapter
That
in
I
one.
am ill.
When me want, that this a yamil.
And banana.
When,
Yeah,
and banana
12 dish
wall.
chapter, yeah.
When me want the
Potato and
the
pumpkin.
potato wall and thing figure upon, this I go rip it first and put on the other one and do it so. And that's how I deal with it, you know.
Yes, sir.
And black man too much couldn't feel so much, you know.
Alright. A machine I do the work. All
A
you
machine
do
I do
operate.
the work, you know.
Move him down the line.
Irish potato come here to you, you know, Bergie.
Alright. That's all, man.
Irish potato come here to you, you know.
Yeah, man.
When me don't do for my program, we don't blame people, we don't curse government.
No.
Rasta.
We tell them to appeal to the ancestors. Andrew Holness, the whole of you. When you had a grandmother, when you had a grandfather.
Yes.
When it would be worthless to think a black man supposed to steal a sling machete and hoe and
I
pick
feel
up.
should not fling again, man. I tractor should I
So
know city.
all we're asking if you do change the laws so the foreigners can ship in the thing them, don't charge them
Yeah,
no
yeah.
no fees for clear it.
Yeah.
Nobody asks for nothing
No
for free.
tax, no tax.
Right to
No
the
tax. All we are asking if you do, we no more sensible enough. We no go school.
Yes.
A simple
Realize,
laws for change.
realize, yes.
It not go cost somebody nothing.
No, man.
So then more foreigners would want to say, you know, if the law they change and me can bring in a tractor, then I'm bringing in 7, 10, 100. And then Jamaica would have changed. Every man wants to stay up on tractor and go and just a plow up on it.
Fertilize. Fertilize.
Serious thing.
You see me?
That thing there we desire.
Because what we want to do is aggressive farming so that Jamaica can get so much food that you can feed ghetto youth them and the crime low. Bob Marley say if you're hungry, you go hungry. So right now, me say me buy a breadfruit yesterday for $200 now.
Watch there.
Because I'm not supposed to buy breadfruit. You know?
Yes,
No,
sir.
if it die,
But me just buy it for
Buy
a
it,
principle
yeah,
and me
yes.
say, blouse and skirt, $200 for a breadfruit in a Jamaica.
we
And the foreign me I pay $7 US feet, $5 US.
But you be able to pay people now, yeah.
250.
250,
$300.
$300.
So yam going up now.
Yeah, man,
Wicked. It used to be $60 a pound, right?
Yeah.
And because of Corona it shut up.
Yes.
Tell us how the math with the yam. Why did it shoot up so?
Yeah, what? You see, them a time not really yam time yet. So man, you can find one little bit of yam. First, me yam
You
myself
get the
sell
price,
every
you
year.
get the price.
I know in a market.
Enough yam no they know.
In a supermarket.
In a supermarket, you can't buy it.
Enough yam no they know.
You can't buy it in a supermarket. You can't buy it in a.
You can't buy in a supermarket.
See,
If me buy a piece of fruit, me won't buy it in a
See new
supermarket.
clothes for you with the
Yes,
farming.
Rasta.
God,
I buy dirty
organization.
food.
Me buy food and me see in a market.
Yes, I
The group of man
dirty
are the
food
new
you
clothes
can't.
for the Whitney farming organization.
This is the Whitney farmers.
Yes, man,
Yes.
we are with
Yeah,
the
man.
farmers.
Yeah,
We are
man,
with
they
the
do.
farmers.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we
Every day
never
we
know
do.
that.
Yeah,
The
man.
spirit. Okay.
We
this
can't
is-
see this man Rasta. The one that in past you.
Yeah, man.
Who that?
This man. Right?
Brother,
Yeah.
One time you pull me window and you see a cup.
So
See?
we hope for the best.
Just call me and I am in there and then. He's a fireman, you know, keep it on. You know, see. So anything we left burn, we have to just burn a highway ourselves and you are going to sit and you are going to sit. See me there?
Yeah.
That's how we go.
I hope a lot of people are listening to it. What's your story?
Same thing like we hear them.
Just farming.
You have to give tell him your view.
Yeah.
When you grew up, what age you start the farming?
Yeah, man. When we grow up, start the local farming, raise me goat, cow, and cut local wood bush, cut down tree and cut local lumber, go sell it and make a living. See.
And enough of the foreign one them want a farmer man, you know.
I don't
mean?
joke, yeah, man. Man,
So me just. Oh, you mean I joke me?
I see, I no joke, I make it serious thing.
So when you go in need, is a woman we can help you nothing.
You know, you're alright.
Push the thing.
Man, oh, me want to feel the party, you know. Hey, look, no, me no, I no lay thing, you know.
Take your banana.
Anna,
Bless it, sir.
where me there? Put me party.
You're there on it.
I will tell you.
Who's this man? What's his name? I'm the elder.
Jesse, James, Jesse.
Go over this.
Ricketts, James Ricketts.
Hey, tell me about yourself.
Yes, boy.
So what do you farm, sir?
Banana,
Go look in at
pumpkin, plantain, and what again? Sure.
How old are you?
one.
61.
So you look like you happy around here, sir.
Yeah, man, boy, I had a self wanting here, you know.
What do you need?
Boy, I want some good help, like
Chopped on this.
tractor and farmer and fertilizer and where you have to give a farmer.
Hey, you see
Never
him?
tell none of them thanks yet, you know.
Him, you see? Tell him about your driving experience.
Jesus, me no want all at the part there.
Hey, is it
39 years
terrible
on the black
driving
tar. Clean as a whistle.
Terrible.
Yes, man, and me left it and take up farming.
All right.
Yeah, you know why? The farm now tell me so me late. The farm now tell me, so you know come and work yesterday, Virgin. Ray. Farm now tell me, so boy, punch a tire, terror. No, sir, me know them. Farmer say, here where they come take care of me and me look after you.
Farm is your woman.
Me have different farmer wife.
Second wife.
Love her.
Oh God, plus tax. Yes.
This.
Whitney.
Yeah, me not tarry, you know. Me just make a movement, son.
Definitely. It's a
But take a
pleasure.
shot in a banana van.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
I have to see the van, man.
Yeah, man.
So you're a banana field.
Yeah, my banana
We have
field.
to go buy some banana from you, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's go buy some
And I'm
banana.
the son van.
Hey.
Yeah.
Big it up.
See the people.
Go look for them.
Right now we're going to buy some banana right now. From the man. So enough more banana you have.
No man, I ready them for ready up, you know. What me have it down there, man. Ready for ready up, me general.
Wow, look at that. Wow, people. So I forget your number, man. What you know?
Me no have no phone, me need to get a phone, but me live down the bottom. You pass here when you're coming up,
Yeah,
there's a truck at the gate.
yeah.
A DAF, a Leland DAF at the gate.
Okay, that's
That's
you.
my home.
That's you.
Yeah, that's my home.
I know we know what for make me can get my things then.
Yes, man.
Here what I go do. I go check the wallet. I go show the people them how it work. I go show the people them say when you buy directly from the farmer, the price is better.
Thank you very much.
So now here more want you for do. Me want you to take out a whole take out the whole. The one you ready for eat?
All right, them here. Them have to write this have to write. All right, me I'll put one for me head. Yeah, what I farm, you know. Yeah, man, what I farm.
I go soon tomorrow.
Alright.
Manners. Respect. I go soon. I go keep it going.
Yeah.
All right.
I got to say more too.
Yeah, man. I come to the field.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
General. Yes, yes.
So this is Whitney.
Yes, sir.
Look on it, man.
But you remember Whitney finally seen with the banana?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
No man say banana still there Whitney.
Yeah.
And say they know if he hears and more to the problem.
That's a Jamaica Good Life.
The best.
So Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life, the best in the whole universe.
So now you're wide up. Put on the banana there, so here what. I'm going to do a test for you. I'm going to give this man this.
Yes.
And I'm going to show him, I'm going to put on here, so.
Yes.
So show him when you buy directly from the farmer, how them take care of you with cane and everything. Them just put on where them feel them want to give you as a gift. Because what you don't have to do, you don't have to buy from the farm. When you're not buying a produce, I'll give me one of the ripe one, you know. No, one of the cook, one of the ripe. And see them, man. Look there, sir. Look there. Boom! See there. He's a superstar. Doesn't it feel better to sell on the farm?
Yes.
Because you don't have to go nowhere, drive,
No,
go
we don't have
nowhere.
to go nowhere and nobody don't have to trouble you. Yeah.
All right, my brother.
Love and thanks.
Love and respect and energy. All right? Take care of yourself.
I want to know your name.
Randy, man.
Mr. Randy.
Mr. Randy. Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Randy.
Yes, sir.
Big up yourself,
Take
sir.
care of yourself. Love.
Now run, yeah?
All right, do your thing.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right,
May
people.
God bless and keep us, yeah?
And you too, my
Thank you
brother.
very much, sir. Love and thanks to Colonel. Aye, Rastafari. And Jeremy say, yeah? All right, sir. Love and thanks. Hear me, King?
I got you.
Yeah.
This is Jamaica Good Life, so now, here's the thing, guys. Now, here's the thing. The thing, you know, people. Jagan, come here for me. The thing, you know, when you buy from the farmers, it better come to support them directly and them not have to travel with the thing. Let me ask you something. You know what, Dragon? Let me ask you something from a financial... Scatter! From a financial position,
Yes.
me think this is very good.
Yes.
$1,000.
Yes, man. At farm gate price, man.
Farm gate price. Me
Yes,
think cause the whole banana, you know, brother.
Yes, man. Two
Cause that I go ripe, you know.
Two bunches.
Remember I
This one
said
a go
this,
ripe.
this would have charged about 500 alone or 600
Yes.
just for...
Yes.
So tell me, Scatter. You
Farm
think
gate price.
farm gate price $1,000? You think this is a good price? Price is 1,000.
You know bad.
You know bad.
No, sir.
Price it for me if it was in the market.
Price is at everything out in the market.
He's a market man, you know.
Mhm.
Alone
So
at
you
time now, you know.
Him know.
Right. 8, 12. Up here, $400-$500 if you want your hand over another.
500 a hand.
A hand.
Hand, one hand, that's right.
This is a hand.
Yeah. it's
500,
right, banana.
500,
Yeah.
500.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
No, man.
4 times 5 are 20.
No, man. I know 4 hand, man.
How much hand?
4 and count the hand them.
How much I'm more
That's
than
so
4.
they go on.
Count it
Yeah.
for me.
So, yeah, you get it right, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6 times 5 is how much? 30.
$3,000.
That's $3,000, my brothers.
Yes, yes.
That's 30, about 25 US dollar. That's $3,000.
Yes.
What's a pumpkin scatter?
Yes. Incoming again.
$70 a pound. So this about 3 pound.
3 pound.
What do you think?
5 pounds.
5 pound that?
Minimum.
Oh, brother, we already gone 3,000 pound the banana already.
Yes, yes.
And the sugar cane there and the pumpkin and the...
And the cooking banana.
So then we not even have to check the mats.
No, no.
It gone out, it gone off the roof.
Yes.
The mats gone off the roof. We not even have to check it no more, scatter. It gone. So if the people come to Whitney,
Yes, at the farm.
right at your gate, you can open up the farm right here, so.
Yes, yes. Yes, that's why I mark it here.
So if them link me, I can give them on a number and them come right here so and tell you what them want and what them a bring, and since you're the market man,
Yes.
you will find it and make sure money run from you so you don't have to bring nothing going away.
Yeah, man, right money.
At the right move.
Right money. Yet you know you are going to charge your price, man.
Yeah, man, right money. Now.
Scattered there.
I are going to charge your price.
We're enterprise, you know, we always make things easier.
It's a business you start.
100 pound of fertilizer, me I scatter around pumpkin root there right now.
What you say now?
So 100 pound bag of fertilizer, 110 pound in it. Me I use it right now, I do so. From pumpkin root, and me I go burn out it there now. See? And when the time I burn out it, and me I do spray with diatine and carrot tracks, take off the bug them off fight when you come there, I saw the entire. If you pumpkin like a so,
An egg.
an egg. I dry this guy there.
It crack.
That one there, dry. Good.
You good?
Yeah.
People, if you don't have links with the farmer, them, you know, in a Whitney or wherever on the farm and the farmer at the future, so we have to help them to keep make the things better, you know. Scatter, me have some more food for you, you know.
Man, that's
I have some more things for you, you know. Let me tell you something.
In
When I leave today, I said to myself, now I'll bring something for somebody who deserve it. Just I give you some oats. You see me? Some pasta. So I will give you a bun. Eh? You buy it?
Yeah.
Are your favorite?
Yeah, man, when I go in the supermarket, I sweat my boy.
So here, what, this is the bag. You are more of this thing as a gift. You see me come, let me tell you something. Him earn it, you know. You see that money? Yeah?
You know, in the place you hold place, man.
You see?
They bring them in.
Because, you my brother. I just the taste, I just the love.
You love nothing. You love.
I just the love, me, I show you.
You love.
Because people will say, why you give the man a natural food? I just what me have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have the natural, me have the unnatural, so me show you the love.
Yes, sir.
You see me?
Yes, sir.
No matter what,
Yes, sir.
I just the taste, and when you eat it, you say, yo, run come true.
See, man. You see, man. You see, man. Right.
Because I feel love you have, you know.
So until that run there,
Yes.
yes. So, I tell you, you got down to him most I know run.
Well, oh man, I go there, where are you? I go there, this is the beginning of our journey. The dragon, where the man shape there, have it in it.
Put in him, man. Put in him.
The dragon, man, the dragon I go roll.
I just put him in, you know.
Where the mash it there? We take it up? One called round upon it with dragon and the man called scatter. Call give him the real name. What them call? What you call him?
Bang.
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 Yeah.
B-N-G, like a bang.
Bang.
Yeah,
Real maroon.
yeah.
So this is the real Jamaica Good Life.
Yes.
These are the men from Whitney.
With original slave property.
And we're going to see the arch.
Yes, the Lords and the Clarks.
How far is the river from here? Eh? I didn't know there was a river nearby. I thought only Noisy River was around these areas.
This one name was the Peace River.
Yeah.
Yes, part of the Peace River channel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna see it down here.
It was a pleasure to be among you gentlemen. It's not that bad the road.
Oh, yeah, it's just time. When I dry the edge, you can ride down. Alright, see the arch here now. Approaching the arch.
The arch.
Yes.
Tell me about the arch. What's the history behind the arch?
It's an aqueduct.
Aqueduct.
Built tall.
Uh-huh.
Entrance to the slave master's compound.
Oh, this is the slave master's compound.
We are entering
We're entering slave quarters. So this was a gate.
the gate, the entrance to the slave
Wait a minute,
master's
shouldn't we say a
compound.
prayer before I enter?
Yes.
The almighty freedom.
Yes, yellow black man, black man, I contract him.
This is some freedom when I come through.
Yellow black man, I black man construct this, you know, slave, you know.
Eh.
Yes, then watch it. Perfect art, you know, Rasta.
Imam.
This is in 400 years, you know.
The man will do this. I come observe. Say, when them pay him. I'm killing.
And that's what them do to black people.
Yes, they kill Jackie Manuel. The man will build that.
You hear my name? Tell him in name.
Jackie Manuel.
Original black scientist. Because if you do that, the art, you know, you have to come from a yard. You hear the echo down in your Rasta.
So this was the slave.
Yeah, the water,
Whole of that basin.
the water travel and it go round.
Aqueduct. That's
So
a-
tourists come look for this?
No.
So no tourists no come around here, so.
No, man, this is 400 years, you know, brethren.
So Jamaica no make
This
tourists
no
come here,
export.
so.
No,
say
man.
The farm up.
Expose, this is expose it,
Yes,
man.
I know the farm up.
You know, expose it, man.
And now when you introduce me, make me put the farm up.
You know,
See the big
expose
tree
it.
there, the cotton tree that.
All right, look, all right, focus.
No, the cotton tree that.
See it.
A
Look on that
500-year-old one there.
one. See him. Plant when the slave master come. Grow with him.
And the one that turn.
Yes, see him. You see him, how him turns, like the arch.
Brother, this is a special place. Anywhere they grow is a special place.
You know, you see the lads and the clocks.
The Lords and the Clarks.
Yeah. They my slave master. Down
So
here.
this wall, a lot of people don't know about it.
Only the natives.
I see.
Another part right there down.
Oh, that's the other gate.
Like that, you know, inside the yard and more.
So them keep them in this region.
Are the white man coming here and that will be
The
like.
end traffic coming.
Enter, exit.
Yeah.
So that's the exit.
Both entrance and exit.
Oh man. I have to do some more reading up in Whitney.
Yes, you have to go in the history. Whitney property.
This is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. So my brethren them see him the dragon. This man is not new in my life. Foundation, 15 years. And now we have scatter, we call him Bang.
Yeah.
You see me? And this man is the man
And
with
him
love.
are the farmer up there.
The man says one goat. I could turn him around. Are the real farmers, humble, righteous men that walks the land and live the Jamaica good life. You see them always a smile. No problem. You guys don't have rent problem. You don't have health problems. You don't even have money problems. You don't have food problems. Do you have woman problems? You know,
Take it topography now.
you don't have no
Mountain and
problems.
valley,
Okay.
Long so and clean for the whole of my farm, long so and the water.
Okay, so this is this here is the water.
When the river come down, they flow. It's flow. So I'm not
So
telling
they
you.
clog up there now.
Okay, stopped. Okay,
So
got it. Got it.
this river, this channel should be cleaned,
Yeah.
properly cleaned
You see
at
if-
all times.
You see if it clean from right there, but right down on my gun corner down so, all water gone through.
So who feels with these different farmers?
That's, I old man do it and left gone, you know. Man, see, I man do it.
Jesse, the same guy we just saw.
Yes.
There, so no.
We're going down into Bing farm now,
Okay.
Yeah, but he's there now.
where we can reach, you know.
Wow. This is
Look at the topography, take them down there.
I'm going to that when it's all in Pana, clean farm.
Yes. You say beyond Shayod.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Wow.
that's his farm.
Yes, man.
And what is he?
More than down the wood.
So now the ancestors left it through generation.
And that's why I knock out them on the farm, you know. Them
Okay.
man
Up in that flat there.
Okay, so basically,
No, this
wait, up there? Wait.
is banana tree.
Okay, so them clean this up.
Yeah, man.
What?
Here, up on him.
Pure pumpkin.
No, this is a whole white boy slave master property.
Okay.
And he hand him over to the system, and the system. People just utilize it because the system not give the people them properly yet. And all of these man are show say a them forget it. Seeing? Cause all of them man are just come and come clean up them place and plant banana and cane and everything, you know. Yes, being a the man will bring him out here. Exactly.
Okay. So,
Being a pioneer.
Bang, it was your land.
Being a pioneer.
Your father left it for you. Yeah.
My father lived here then because my father. Yes. Yes.
And Papa too. Are the rain that? Are the river water run so hard? Are you with this? Banana.
Banana plant, they go fruit in it.
You have plant too?
Yes,
Bang, a farmer man. On the farm plantation, yeah. Jamaica good life, what you say? We know the farm people. When I know some love farm, I love to meet the people. See the banana there? See it there? Wow. Look on it. That one they look good, man. You don't have sugar cane too? Toss me a sugar cane, man. I go eat it till I'm full. Look there, Ben, you have everything. You all have sweet sap and cane. Okay. The planting, they're ready. PART2.
Yeah, man, June plum.
You have June plum?
Yeah, man, I want big tree fall down to pear real palm tree there.
Yeah, yeah.
Seeing pear supposed to live on that one there. Right? Yeah, everything on that. Coconut, everything, yeah, plant.
Oh, you got some nice coconut. The man them climb the tree.
Yeah, but you know, plant climb it to do more drink it.
You drink
When
it.
you're hungry and
When you're hungry.
get the bedroom, climb it here and we drink our food.
Eh? We have to go climb one when we come. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going to stay in Jamaica Good Life. So let's see how we do it. Mangoes, come here. Let's see our mangoes. A banana I smell. Cut a cane for me. Cut one we can plant. Cut off the top. Yeah man, see it there. Real farmers of Jamaica. This is Randy. Yes, you see them cane and them giant, them shot together. Real life people. Real life. Rain a come, so we have a shoot out. Yes, I. Now come move. You carry coming from where?
From down where I deliver Manchester around there.
Eh?
Every man almost have your
You have castor oil too.
Sweet and fine.
Hey, hold the camera in front of me and Bing. Go in front of it, run.
Which way? Just like it is. Never hold it good, man.
The other way.
This way.
No, hold it up so. Alright, no. Hold it so.
Yes.
And go forward. Just stand up and man, Bing, stand up. This is.
Yes, me have to hold on now. Just hold on.
You see it?
Yes. And just hold the same way. Me not have to click nothing.
Nothing.
Eh?
Nothing.
Me not have to click
You see
nothing.
the white button?
Yes, we already night.
Yeah.
Just
You
next.
see the white button. Press the white button.
A white button with a red sign inside of it.
No, just press the white one. You
Okay.
see two. Alright.
Very good
Respect.
picture to you know.
Alright, we could go. You know, say a banana leaf you want. You know what them say in Africa? Cut a banana leaf. You know what them say in Africa? Them say the planting leaf it was God because the planting leaf cover the world. So them cut the planting leaf and cover them for shelter. And this one I must use when the rain fall, man. See there? Don't make the rain touch your head. So Ben, you never used to do this?
I cut you and cut touch and banana and everything.
I'll make you little stand up. Right one.
Yes, sir.
You're all right. Now, fine.
is good. You see, the thing is, I'd provide umbrella too. So, no need for umbrella, brothers. Well, this is Whitney, slave headquarters. Look at this, guys. This rain is bad, but the banana leaf is... All you need to do is protect your head. Onward movements. Yeah, man. Yes, I know.
Look at the tractor here.
Yeah, tractor.
We got him clear, man.
More work.
More work.
And the land flat enough.
And the land flat. How little change the land.
Yeah.
Draw off the water.
Yeah.
Vegetable. All color of them.
Kalalu, I've cut me for Kalalu.
I say, hey, down there.
Yeah.
You look at it.
You want me to cut it. So you plant you one time. Yeah.
First time I know more after.
Yeah, me I deal with that the virgin that is.
Yes.
When he come in and after. But no one them all the while, you know, like they don't know why, you know. I'm going to look at the wine, and send them, you know, money to go buy the thing. Right? I want to pull them too. Let me buy some jump on. Go there. I sent them a book. That's all. Yeah, go to the casino. I'll take you water to the time afternoon. And the rain come afternoon. You get that job there. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have land. Right to the
Yes. Yes, Father. What a dear. Yes. This is the one. Oh, go on, doggy. Where the dog name? Come here, boy. Come.
Burger.
Run.
Come on. My friend that. Yeah, my friend. My friend. My friend.
Come, doggy. Yes, babe. Open it. Bang, more enjoy the knife, you know. Eh?
Yes, everything.
More enjoy the gift.
Yeah.
And thank you for the gift.
Yeah.
We're going to say.
Straight to the most.
Yes, sir. We're going to say.
Yes, sir.
Work with the vibe, because this was a pleasure. This was supreme, you know. This was supreme, and the world is going to embrace you. Well, this is the beginning, you know. Because the next step, I want sip, a soup, sip. We'll cook some soup, coconut and pumpkin and this is what we're going to put on a thing. You see, that's the next thing we're going to do. All right? So, brother, love. All right, Anna. Respect. I know people are going to call me to reach you, but me I go filter them first. Yes. Thank you, Ben. Supreme. All right? Supreme.
Talk with that one. Well, down in the bush, man. You cut off a chat, plant something, I walk through, I read something. You know, see, because I don't ever eat it. The other day, the other day, I did also have, yeah. I want to feel a virgin bonafide chop. You never have the man, eat ripe banana, eat money, eat everything. You know, say, I just get this ghosting and then sick. I know. That's... I'm dead. I'm dead, man, running dead. I saw them kick. Too fat the boys themselves. And I feel just shake me head. And I said, watch that. Watch that. I feel just a bit. I saw me, I feel I just wet. And I look upon the same thing. If I want to come, I sell him 3 times out of time.
Real
If I want a woman come, I sell 3 times out of him.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but that's a nice journey, but you know, the most I know everything. See?
No. Yeah, you met me dear Supreme.
Yes, sir.
Cause in our life, you know,
Yes, sir.
you try to show love as much as you can, and it's hard to find people can receive it and give it with a smile without condition.
That's it.
And that is what Uno, we feel with Uno. Unconditional love And a circle of joy. When you give, you give, you give, and a circle, circle, yeah.
That's what you're right. When I girl near Shelly, a brown girl, one of my school virgin, picked me. I come in one evening. And blood, I hear a donkey bear. And Shelly said, if you carry him halfway. And I said to Shelly, said, no man, you have to go in where I turn up right to spot me, I take off the load off by donkey. Pale pie. You know, so I give girl a piece of cane. And in the morning, I live on a corner of Refood, who are dark in the car, there so. And I look some work. But I hear say my brother in a couple come give out the work. And my brother, when I did it, I hear a sound say, Shelly dead. Terence kill Shelly. When I left, no one bother with no work. But me shopping on the road like your van, full of ganja. When I said to the eye, when I go back, I reach yard, I start take out the herb and I put it over school and I come on at the center in a piece of fancy and a bush right then finally I go up enough and thick. Hear me man. I saw the police pass and just look up and I yo, me said to the eye, just a fear one will look upon me. And that me no plan back no more weed and have to catch no more like them there. Hold me corner and just. So when I see them come free weed, I did free weed long time.
The Almighty.
You get me? I did free weed long time. Weed and no bush. I just a little bush like peppermint.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah, yeah.
But then put it so powerful and terrible. And I want a little bee in the bush, all the baby, when the baby a fever, boy, want to leave and give. Him alright. Just like when him have fever. And you want to see that chair in your yard.
And then that you know, Ben.
Eh?
I want to call the police that is.
They the Babylon, I feel them and know them, you know. See?
And them that you know, Ben. Four of them in a
See how we are said to the eye, see them there. So the eye have to just
I see the man, see
know
the
the eye self
and
and
them that Ben.
know everything. Know see
Them have,
yeah.
you said them just have to pass.
Yeah, them have to go through.
Like how we are turn up and look for them, you know.
Yeah man, you have nothing to do with that man.
And them just have to pass.
Yeah man, I walk on the road from up here and I go down in a poor house and there was no creek. And the man them up on the grass well up at West Street. I pass there with me split the man and say, go on through Rasta, you're a big man. And I got me gone through. None of them now run and jump down for me. No man ain't afraid of your friend.
Living dead if they don't touch nothing. Almighty out.
Yeah, the Almighty idea we Rasta.
Yes. Presently. No honor, respect. Give thanks to the dragon. We are. Bring up. Up. Straight up. Respect. This is Jamaica Good Life. We say, man called
Everything good. We don't know it go. And we so come, we so forward. Any day now, I will come early. See? We know you are bush man, we know you go, you know. So we know every time, you see?
It's a Jamaica Good Life, it's not a Cub Life. Man called Hot Feet, yeah, we got yourself Hot Feet. It's a Jamaica Good Life. It's not a Cub life. We're not living a Cub. We're not living a Cub. We're not fall. We're not fall. Dragon, we're not fall.
No, man.
We're not fall.
No, man. The man is bird.
Man is eagle.
Yeah.
Man is dragon.
Eyes flying
The
all
flying
over.
lion.
Yeah.
The dragon.
Yeah.
This way.
Yes. Right.
Not wrong. This has been a great journey. A new adventure for Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy and the Dragon. We bring you the best in the world. Seatbelt up, Dragon. You don't want nothing to happen to you. Safety first. Almighty up. That's what we say every time, Almighty up. It's a blessing to be among great human beings, have unconditional love. And I tell Jamaican themselves on the farm and keep up everything up. This is Jamaica Good Life, Randy. Live on the work, but now I'm going to put on my seatbelt. Hold it, Dragon. Hold it steady. Be a general. No shaking. Alright. Hold it on the dashboard. You know, film the dashboard, yeah, film the view. That's what you film. You think you're strong enough? Think you're strong enough for the journey? You ready to go to Westmoreland?
Yes, man. And that the move me about to become, I will bring you up on my region where is a original radio operator in a KBC. Serious thing, you know. That's the next move. Yes, surprise visit from my region in a cave, you know.
The Almighty up.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
I recommend that you traverse down the hill slowly, you know.
Okay.
Very slow. It's a steep hill and it's a narrow hill.
The Almighty
Yeah,
up.
Alright,
people, Jamaica Good Life, see that? This is not a Cub.
No.
We're not living a Cub.
No.
We're not foul.
No. Bird.
We are dragon. You know what I realize about life? When the voice said don't worry, Dragon, you're not supposed to worry. No. If the voice said don't worry, don't worry. You understand me? I said to you.
Oh, what's worry?
What's worry? You're worried. Where are you worried?
A civilization make you worry. Like a materiality. You know?
Yes, I. Randy on the wheel. Yeah. Randy driving the steer. You know, my prayer is that I will forget the past and live in the now. It is a struggle. I always remember those dirty cows. So now, the view in front. Dragon, what more to do is forget the past.
Yes.
Because the past cannot last in my current existence.
No.
And right now we want to move forward into the future and enjoy the now.
Yes.
But forget what the dirty cow them. Because we know it meat no more. You see me? And strictly certain item thing we are depend now. When you come into the elements, we can go back to the teacher. You know, we say we don't deal with preacher.
No, really, John.
Yes, sir. Original, indigenous.
Yes.
To Jamaica. Easy. Does it. Love the man's upon them t-shirt for them, sir. How you doing, sir? It's a pleasure to see your greatness. I have a grandson too. I'm Randy from Jamaica Good Life.
Brethren, man, bonafide.
So we're going to call you, come check you and sit down and reason.
Yeah.
You, behave yourself.
I with the pharmacy, you know.
Yeah, the farmer too?
Yeah, man.
Welcome see you.
But me not get no help, so.
See,
I'm a cow, them me just come move in a bush there, so I
Okay. What can you not have help from him? You might want to go take over?
Eh? If he take any education, me don't want him to do that.
You don't want? But
No.
him can enterprise it, you know? Him can hire people to take care of the cow them and do the
Yes,
export.
That is true.
So finish school
But
and
the
then...
thing is that now,
Yeah.
me have to go have more land.
Maybe he can just give you like 3 or so. Or 5.
5 acres.
Or even 10.
5 would I do me well.
You see?
Because I just carrying a herd of cow go in there.
See him?
But I just tell him a while ago, say, I just buy 2 cow and 2 more on them the way me have there.
I'll let you chew. Alright, we're going to link with you.
Yeah, man, link
No.
with me anytime, man.
Alright.